What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hammer Down Motorsports. Today we are headed to Camaro Fest 8 in Bowling Green, Kentucky. So we're doing our first fill-up of the day. It is about 4:30 in the morning. I got about an hour and a half of sleep, so it's gonna be a fun day. Well, it's a little after 5 in the morning, and Nick still doesn't have his trailer hooked up, even though I told him when I was gonna be here, but we're gonna get this all figured out and be on our way shortly. So this is it, in the dark, the twin turbo build. We can see absolutely nothing. There we go. We got a little bit of light now.
Yeah, still can see absolutely.
It smells pretty new.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, basically, what you're smelling is this section right there that we had to remake.
Oh yeah, burn the paint off.
Yeah.
You got to get some of that high heat stuff.
That was the high heat.
Oh, was it?
Oh, engine paint.
Nice.
Yeah.
So is it all ready to go?
Yep.
Just gonna make it, no problems, Andrew?
We'll find out.
Andrew's driving it.
All right.
Yeah.
Sounds like
driving
plan.
his car.
Yeah, I let her drive the fast one.
What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Good boy. Well, Nick, you ready for the maiden voyage of the twin turbo?
Yep, it's ready. It's got the bandana on.
Novice stretch is a must-have for all road trips. So we got everything loaded up over here at Nick's house. It is time to get on the road. Well, we just passed the sign. We are officially in Kentucky, so it's the home stretch. How's the trip so far?
It's good.
It's fantastic.
No traffic, which is good.
Lots of construction.
Yeah.
He's gonna jinx it.
I already said it earlier, the weather's good.
The weather is good. We did have some construction.
But not standstill.
Yeah, it could have been a lot worse.
Yeah, oh yeah.
All right, so we got some food. Still running on 1 hour of sleep, but we're powering through it. Next stop, Kentucky. Oh, looks like we got a Mustang. Might want a little bit of the twin turbo ZL1. Guess we're gonna have to see. And the Mustang takes its rightful place behind the Camaro. That's why GM made those taillights so nice on the Camaro, for all those Mustang owners. Give them something nice to look at. All right, so it is about 8 o'clock. We're about to go into a time change, so we do gain an hour going into Bowling Green, Kentucky. I was a little overzealous in saying that it was the final stretch of our journey because we did have a few more hours to go, but we do have the cars all cleaned up, ready to go for the show tomorrow, so it's gonna be an awesome time. Got to get to our hotel, get everything unloaded and checked into our rooms, so we will check in again with you guys tomorrow. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Keep that hammer down.